Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the RoboDoge Coin using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on my channel, showing you guys things like how to buy, how to sell, and lots more. So if you guys are interested in the crypto space, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, all you have to do to start off with this tutorial is just open up your Trust Wallet. I'm just going to let you guys know I'm not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer BNB in this video. If you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things, I'll have separate tutorials linked in the description and in the comment section down below if that is needed. Otherwise, I'm going to already assume you guys have your BNB inside of your Trust Wallet here and that you have the appropriate amount of BNB inside of your Smart Chain wallet. If you guys have all your BNB in your BNB wallet, you just want to go to your BNB wallet, click on more, and then swap some of it to Smart Chain, or else it will not show your balance inside of the PancakeSwap. Anyhow, all we have to do now is just head over to CoinMarketCap and get the contract address and paste it inside of here. So I'll have a link over to CoinMarketCap in the description and comment section as well. So if you guys just want to head over there, it'll look like this. And all we have to do is just go down to the bottom here where it says contracts and just click that little copy button beside Binance Smart Chain. Once we're done that, we can go back over to Trust Wallet. Once we're back in Trust Wallet right here, we just want to go to the top right of our screen where we see the 2 lines and 2 circles. Click on that. Then we can go ahead and paste the contract address up in the search. And then we should see add custom token here. So we just want to click on add custom token. And then the network, we just want to switch it from Ethereum to Smart Chain. And then we can paste the contract address. It will then load in everything else for us there automatically. So we can just click on save in the top right. And then the token is added to our Trust Wallet. So now we can go over to the exchange and add the token to our wallet. So just go ahead over to the description and comment section down below. And I'll have a link over to PancakeSwap there. So you guys can just go ahead and click on that and I'll show you what to do next. And once you guys are on PancakeSwap here, first things first, you just want to go to the top right of your screen where you see the Connect Wallet button and click on that. Once you click on the Connect Wallet button, we're actually not going to click on Trust Wallet here. We're actually going to click on Wallet Connect. And then here's going to show us all the wallets that you can connect to with Wallet Connect. And in this case, obviously, I'm going to be using Trust Wallet, but you guys can use any one of these wallets if you would like to. But for today's tutorial, I'm just going to click on Trust Wallet. Then it's going to open up our Trust Wallet here. And we're just going to have to wait for a connection screen, just like this. And then once this pops up, we just want to click on Connect, then head back over to PancakeSwap. We'll know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as our balance of BNB right above BNB right here. Now, all we have to do is click on select a currency and paste that same address in here. Once we do that, we'll see the RoboDoge coin right here. So we just go on import, I understand, and import. Once we have that added in here, the last thing we have to do is change our slippage tolerance. So you just want to go beside where this little settings gear is right here and click on the little settings gear. Now, this token has a 17% tax, so I would definitely start with at least 17% or 18%. I'd actually highly recommend 18% for this one just to make it go through the first time. So you just want to change your slippage tolerance here to 18 and then exit out. Now, once you have your 2 coins in here, all you have to do is decide how much BNB that you want to transfer into the RoboDoge token. So let's just say, for example, it was 1 BNB. You can go ahead and type that in here. Then I'll show you the amount of RoboDoge token you'll get in exchange for that 1 BNB. Now, if you guys are comfortable with what you see here, you guys can just click on the swap button where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. Once that is done, you guys will see another page where it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees and withdrawal rates and things like that. So if you guys are happy with that second page as well, you can click on swap one more time, and then it should give you a successful transaction notice. Once you receive that, we can exit out of here and go back into our Trust Wallets, and the coin should arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy the RoboDoge token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.